Welcome to the brand new 2024 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4 in Summit White. This truck is powered by a 3-liter Duramax Turbo Diesel, bolted up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a look inside the AT4, starting on your left-hand side, we have the controls for your power folding and adjustable mirrors, electronic parking brake, button-activated trailer and driving modes, automatic headlights and fog lights toggle, leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with paddle shifters, full digital gauge cluster, 13.4-inch touchscreen complete with Android Auto, Apple Carplay, and navigation, push-to-start ignition, dual-zone climate control, shifter and integrated trailer braking are in the center console, and Bose audio all throughout the vehicle. Taking a look at the exterior of the AT4, starting off with the 18-inch wheels paired up with Goodyear Wrangler tires. Moving right along, we have paint-matched door handles, AT4 badging on the doors, blacked-out mirrors with LEDs, Duramax Turbo Diesel plaques on the fenders. Around the front of the vehicle, GMC badge in the center of the grille, AT4 badge in the grille as well, red recovery hooks, LED daytime running lights and headlights. Back down the side of the vehicle, this truck is remote start equipped, rear tinted privacy windows with black trim all around. Around the back of the vehicle, we have side steps built into either side of the bumper, twin chrome tipped exhaust, towing packages installed, AT4 Sierra and GMC badging all on the MultiPro tailgate. Heading back inside the AT4, starting off with your in-seat storage. Seats are car seat ready and come in a 60-40 split. Cup holders come down in the middle. Rear power sliding window. Bose audio continues throughout the back of the vehicle, and here in the center console we have the heated leather seats controls as well as 2 USB charging ports. Thank you for watching this brief walkthrough on the brand new 2024 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4. If you have any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales department.